Number 11, cry wolf, meaning to yell a false argument or point or make a fake or false claim. Examples: A. He's always crying wolf about his problems, so no one takes him seriously anymore. B. She cried wolf about the deadline, but it turned out she had plenty of time to finish the project. Number 12, cut to the bone, meaning to reduce something to the bare minimum. Examples: A. The company had to cut the budget to the bone in order to stay afloat. B. After the layoffs, the team was cut to the bone but still managed to complete the project.